Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today, I'll share with you my version of delicious and creamy buko pandan. Umpisahan natin dito sa buko strips. Kaya lalagay lang natin ito dito sa mixing bowl. Sasamahan ko rin ng gelatine with pandan flavor. Oops, nahulog. Isusunod ko ang thickened cream. At para lalong maging mas creamy, lalagyan ko ito ng double cream. Isang latang condensed milk. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of pandan flavor. Ngayon ay haluin lang natin ito ng dahan-dahan para ma-distribute evenly yung pandan flavor, condensed milk, at saka yung cream. Ito ang dessert na super quick and super easy na gawin. Kung tutuusin, pwede na itong iserve. Pero syempre, mas masarap ito kapag malamig. So, ilalagay muna natin ito sa fridge ng 1 o 2 oras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it too. Thanks for watching and see you again on my next cooking vlog. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.